Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? I think you all are great by the Almighty Allah. Uh, first of all, I'd like to say uh, I am Mahmud Shamim and I am from Bangladesh, and the morning starts here and the time is 8 a.m. and today's lesson is all about the expressions of gonna, gotta, wanna, gimme, lemme, kinda, and oughta. Okay, I wrote you 7 words, and I'd like to discuss today the contraction of words that I think use naturally in your daily speaking. Okay, so you naturally use this contraction. Okay, I think you will mistake sometime, or you will opponent person say this contraction, but if you know the contraction, I think you would speak properly. But if you don't know the contraction or short form, I think you cannot understand or you cannot speak properly, okay, to your opponent person. So I'm going to tell you the exact information, okay, how you do use your spoken language, and so that you can you can speak to your opponent person properly. Okay, when we are speaking fast and informally, I'd like to say native speakers often pronounce going to. Okay, the short form would be gonna, and we can say one sentence. I'm gonna say something about myself, and it is, I think, informal language, and I think it is standard language. Okay, when you use this kind of contraction, and I think it would be standard form. Okay, I'm gonna say something about myself. It is informal, and the formal sentence would be I'm going to say something about myself. Okay, so the people or the English speakers who don't know, or who doesn't want to use this kind of contracted sentences like informal, so naturally they use I'm going to say something about myself, this kind of sentence. But it's not a standard sentence. But when you use a standard sentence, I think you should use first, right, okay, informal sentence. Okay, I'm gonna say something about myself. The sentence I think used in your spoken English very much. So I'd like to say next one, have to. Have to, that means obligatory. Someone waits in some place, at some place. Okay, you have to go there, means this sentence means obligatory. Okay, so you must go there, and the contraction form gotta, and we can write here one sentence, I gotta go. Okay, this is informal. Okay, I yeah I told you now, and the formal language would be I have to go there, and I have got to go there. Okay, we can also use. Okay, and the next word would be want to. The contraction form would be wanna. We naturally use this kind of contraction form wanna in our spoken language. I think it would be very smart, and I think you feel so great when you use this contraction. Okay, I wanna go there, I wanna go there. Okay, this is informal, and the formal statement is I want to go there. Okay, I want, and I can say more sentence. Okay, I want to receive the book, I want to receive the book. Okay, And yeah, and next word would be give me. So this is a very interesting phrases. Okay, uh, give me a short, and the short form would be gimme. Give me your book, please. Give me your book, please. The statements means request. So you want or you borrow some books or uh, one or two books from other person. You will just request, and you use, I think, this kind of sentence, and yeah, and you use naturally give me, and give me your book, please. This is informal, and the formal statement is give me your book, please. Okay, and I'd like to hear one more sentence. Okay, give me your pen, please. Give me your pen, please. And the next word would be let me. Oh my God, this is very interesting. Uh, uh, Naturally, is used in our spoken language. Okay, so you wanna be a fluent speaker, so you have to understand, and you have to practice the contraction form of this. Okay, next word would be let me. Okay, let me. Okay, the contraction form would be let me. So we can write here one sentence: let me go there. This is informal. Okay, and the formal language, a formal statement would be let me go there. Okay, and this also means permission. Okay, someone will give you the permission, and you can go. Okay, and next word would be kinda. uh, Kinda, the contraction of kind of. So this is very interesting phrase. I think you use every day in your daily speaking. Okay, daily conversation. The sentence would be you are a kinda stupid. So this is not a nice statement, I think. And the formal statement would be you are a kind of. Kinda means kind of. Okay, kinda, the contraction form of kind of. Okay, so when you try to say something to your opponent person, or when you want to, okay, when you wanna discuss something about something, you should use contraction. Okay, and that would be, I think, standard English for you. Okay, last one, outer. Okay, outer is contraction of out of. This is also nice phrase. Okay, you can use in your spoken English. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you one sentence: I'm outer there, or outer here. Okay, this is this, I told you every sentence which one is informal, which one is formal, and I'm outer here. This is informal. Okay, and the formal statement is, or sentence is, I am out here, out of here. So I told you some phrases. Okay, and it's a contraction I discussed today. Discussed today. I think it is very important for you in developing yourself, and how to use this contraction in your spoken language properly. I think I told you some details of 7 word. Okay, I can see 7 word, and in my next videos, okay, I will show you, or I will discuss more words with contraction, with many sentences, many new sentences. I think so that you could understand properly, and you can use properly in your spoken language. Okay, and I think you got some informations from me, regarding contraction, okay, and short form of phrases. I think that will help you to get yourself to be a perfect fluent speaker. So viewers, my viewers, okay, that's all for today. And wish you happy moments every time with your nearest one. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you one thing, that the message for you all, you should respect your mom and dad, and you should respect your superior person, and also your also neighbors. And I think this is one kind of prayer for you. I think superior persons and mom and dad, like superior persons, they were respected person to us, okay. The message for you, that for today. Okay. And in my next videos, I will give you one message. I think the message will help you to be a I think to be a perfect fluent speaker. Okay, that's all for today. Hope so, and wish you all be good all time. Okay, bye bye. Take care.